Hi friends, it's Auntie Heather from Art Explorium. Today we're going to do another fun art tutorial, and it is Cork Sailboats. So here's what it's going to look like, the final project. Pretty simple, but the thing I love about these is after you make them, you can play with them because these actually do float in the water because corks are waterproof material, and so you can actually float these in the bathtub or in a container of water and play with them after you make them. So here's what you're gonna need to get started. You're gonna need a toothpick, one for each sailboat that holds up the sail. You're gonna need 3 corks for your actual sailboat. It's good if they're about the same size as one another, so they can kind of balance. You're gonna need a couple rubber bands, so you could use hair ties or the kind they give you sometimes at the grocery store, or you might have some of these little ones that you can use to make bracelets. If you just can find a couple rubber bands, that'd be great. You're gonna need a small piece of paper to make your sail. You're gonna need scissors and glue, just a little bit, and markers or crayons or colored pencils to decorate. So those are all the supplies you're gonna need, and let's get started.
The first step is to get your 3 corks and line them up. And then you're gonna wanna wrap your rubber bands around your corks to hold them together. So you could use several rubber bands. I'm gonna use 2, or you could use more. So however you wanna do it to make your boat look fun and festive. And then you're gonna make your sail. So you need a piece of paper, at least 2 inches wide or about 2 inches wide. And then you're gonna fold it in half, so it's about 1 inch on each side, or a tiny bit more. And you're gonna get your scissors, and you're gonna need to fold and cut along where that fold is. So you're gonna cut from the fold to the corner of the paper, and that gives you a triangle shape that you can use for a nice little sail. Now we get to decorate our sails. The holidays are coming up, so I decided to use a Christmas theme for my sail, but you can do anything you want for your sail. I decided to do a Christmas tree on one side and a wreath on the other. And here you can see the final product for my little sail design. And now we're gonna put our sail together. So get your toothpick and your glue, put a little bit of glue into the inside of your sail and its fold. You don't need a lot. And then fold it together and press it down so that the 2 ends stick together around the toothpick. Remember, with glue, a little goes a long way. Now you get to put the sail into your sailboat. Just poke it into the middle of that center cork, and there you have it. You can also use markers to decorate the corks on your sailboat to make it more fun and festive. Just keep in mind that most markers will run in the water, and you could just draw on the top to make sure that that doesn't happen, or you can use permanent markers or Sharpies. Look, they float!
Thanks for joining us for our Cork Sailboat tutorial. We hope you have fun playing with your new Cork sailboats, and we look forward to seeing you in our next Art Explorium tutorial video. As always, if you take pictures of any of the projects that you make with our videos, please share them with us. We would love to share them with our community. Take care and have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.